This is Tour de Guara 2024, an event organized by the Outdoor Recreation, USAA, and volunteers of Misawa Air Base to give cyclists an opportunity to explore and go around the beautiful Lake Ogawara with their bikes. In my previous bike videos, we also went to Lake Ogawara, with the first one being that we went the exact opposite direction of the road, and the second one, we just briefly went to Lake Ogawara. And both of them were unofficial group rides, whilst this one is an official event with much more people coming. And what makes this even more special is that Elijah, Rain, and I finally get to ride together again after planning on something like this for so long. So let's explore Lake Ogawara once again with my single speed bike. Uy bro! Uy! Rain! Hey! What's up? Okay, Tour de Ogawara 2024, let's go! Right, now we're at the base beach, surrounded by real cyclists. Daming tao bro. Ayun, Chef McDonald at asawa niya. Daming mga tao dito guys.
Pati yung buntis magbabike bro.
Pati yung, oo nga no. Bro, tapang yan.
Pati yung aso.
Pati yung aso. Kasama yung aso magbabike.
Para hindi kayo nahihirapang mag-change ng gear sa pagpaakyat nyo.
Kapag pababa low gear, pagpangat tayo.
So as you can see, everybody's getting prepared for the ride. It's gonna be long, it's gonna be exhausting, yet fun and amazing. Right, so they're opening this gate up para makabisikleta kami pa labas ng base. So this is gonna be fun. Oh bro, meron ako. Look, the campgrounds already where we camped last time. I didn't know that this is where that gate led to, because I haven't actually been to that side, but now I know this is where we camped, right at this spot. So that's amazing. And you can see the lake just beside us. Absolutely beautiful, man. I can't wait to see more of it. Dito kami na-camping bro. Ayun yung kana. Dito ba? Yun, ganda ng lake, kita lahat diba, kita lahat. Ganda. Hello. Oh, hi Miss Peterson. Hello, good to see you again Miss Peterson. Bro, Miss Peterson pala yun. Ayos. Ayos, dami pala nagbibisikleta dito bro. Ganda. Parang hinintay niyo sila Chef McDonald eh. Kaya tumigil siya. Ganda. Right in front of us is Mrs. Peterson, Mr. McDonald, Chef McDonald and his wife, Elijah, other people, and yes, just got taken over by a mountain biker. Let's see how he'll last. Oh, ganda. Okay guys, balik na ulit tayo sa smooth ground. You know, picnic off, may pa-picnic pa doon.
Ano?
Motorsiklo.
Car, motorcycle.
Daya. Ooh, very peaceful here. Tahimik guys.
Nung gabi gumagano no. Huy huy huy. Puta ka naman pa diyan.
Ano siya, tanod? Ano siya? Magnanakaw?
Oo, marami bro.
Na super nice yung bisikleta niya.
Sabi ko sama-sama. Mamamatay na ata ako.
Padjak. Buhay lang pumadjak ka nung araw na yun.
Sana naka-road bike ako, flat na mountain bike eh.
Ay, yun yung naplatan.
Talaga yung padjak ko eh.
Ayan,
Kung
karata.
hindi man o hindi, mas okay na yun kaysa lang mamamatay ako.
Oh, buti lang may bike ka kahit na flat. Ligtas ka pa rin kahit
Siguro
paano.
kaya doon na bakasyon man ako pa ako.
Sasakan mo. Experience. Surreal experience mo.
Oh bro, isipin mo na may sumasaksak sa'yo sa likod.
Ay.
Mapapadyak ka talaga kahit pagod ka.
Sige bro, padjak ka na. Oh, nakapagod yun ah. Right guys, just climbed an 8% gradient with my single speed bike. Oh yeah, very very fun. Okay, we're at the fields now. Magandang views. Yeah.
We're gonna feel.
Sheesh! Guys, all the plans.
But it doesn't be the 1600.
Wow. What a historical experience.
Yes, I wanna go wet.
Yes, sir. Kaya ko na mag-sprint mamaya. Right guys, what is your experience drinking water while watching people farm on their farm? Amazing. We got the rest coming. Look at that. Di pa.
Naseplang pala na.
Ba, sakit nun kung nasemple lang siya.
Sabi niya, di ko na kaya.
Saan ba siya?
Masawa na pa yun na wala ng kadenyo.
Ayun o, okay na lahat sila. Hello. Hello.
Oh, pero nga na, ang bilis ko madyak eh.
Oh.
Di ba, papa mo, napipipi ko.
Ayun na si Rain.
Oh, bumilis ng padyak. Tara na.
Pati sila Tucker. Ayun o.
Si papa mo yung nasa pinakadulo.
Oo.
Parang staying guide eh.
Tour guide. Hi! Hi Javen, is that you? Javen! Javen! We got an epic one going up for us. Let's do this. Let's go! Sheesh! Arrow. Arrow, let's go. Very nice, bro. Look at that. Look at that gradient. Whoa. It's crazy. Nice views behind me too. Amazing. Oh, here's the rewards. Wow. This is crazy. Look at that. Beautiful view. I have now equipped my Daiso sports sunglasses because mabuhangin dito guys. Sandy. Kaya pupunta sa mata ko yung buhangin. That's why sinuot natin itong shades na to. I'm liking this though. Yeah, quite comfortable and does its job. So, no complaints. Look, my shirt is matching with my duck's helmet. Look at that. My duck is riding with me on my bicycle. So that's really fun. Hello. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Nice. Okay guys, I know you're seeing what I'm seeing. So let's go for it. What a lovely view I got here. On the right side I have rice fields. On the left side I have these yellow flowers. And then ahead of me are windmills. I mean, come on, that is amazing, man. Absolutely wonderful. Wow. Here are the windmills that I didn't get to film last time, but here they are, along with the solar panels. Wow. Renewable energy, man. Who doesn't love renewable energy? Okay guys, i-video daw dahil di ko na-video dati. Dito na ako sa Cariasa, dito kami nag-stop. Ito. Yep. Magpas mo naman. Okay. Are you ready for the views? You're about to behold. Boom! Ayun o. Dam siya. Tapos papunta na ng dagat. Ayun! Papunta na ng dagat. Ganda. Tapos ito yung ilog. Roccascio Village. Let's go! Uy! Ito. Baka! Ay, pupunta tayo sa lake. Ito yung daanan namin nung nakaraan. Dito kami pumunta. Ganda ng views. Ay, palapit na tayo. Boom! Ito guys, Lake Ogawara. Ang side na hindi na nakikita. Ganda oh. May mga nangingisda pa.
Nasa quarter pa tayo.
Behold the view guys, just absolutely beautiful. Fantastic, amazing. Wow. Behold the lake guys. Absolutely beautiful. We got Pero meron talaga may ibang lugar dito bro. Sari-sari store talaga. Walang logo kahit anong kan siya. dapat alam mo talagang hari store siya.
Hijack na natin yung ano na yun, no? I-hijack natin.
Yan, yung bangka na yan.
Diretso uwi na talaga.
Oh, across the lake tayo, bro. Papunta sa base beach.
12 hours na pinag namin.
Tagal yun, no?
Sila mga naka-rollback eh. Wala naman nakatuwan na yan.
Okay lang nga rin.
Tayo, kawaw.
Ganda yan. Ano yun? Bangka ba yun? Barko ba yun?
Oh, barko.
Parang may sail, yung...
Layo naman ng base beach, hayop.
Matagal pa tayo, bro.
Dalawa na lang ako dito papunta base beach.
Triathlete ka na, bro. Uy, duck. Quack, quack, quack. Look, two beautiful views. From the right you get this. From the left you get this.
Pagkain naman eh.
Ayun, dami mga ibon, no? Beautiful birds, beautiful lake, beautiful views, beautiful trees, beautiful everything. Just absolutely amazing.
Tumama nila yung lumberjack siya.
Lumberjack siya.
Yun ata habi niya eh.
Alam ko si kotse eh. Pero at least my bike. Right guys, so that was the end of part 1 of 2. Make sure to stay tuned to see the rest. I really hope you enjoyed the video and please consider giving me a like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.